Yeah.
Yeah, I recognise you.
Alright, do you?
Yeah, man, I wasn't being funny, bro.
No, mate, it's just my defensive nature, dude, that's all it is.
So what happened here, guys, was the chap that I finally catch up with, we crossed paths and he threw a gesture at me as I went past him, and I wasn't too happy with the gesture. So I turned around and went to go and see what it was all about, and essentially I was going to lose my shit with him. But really it turns out it was my fault and I was just being a bit of a tool.
I just want you a little bit further over, that's all.
Say again?
I just want you a little bit further over on my side of the road, that's all.
Alright, fair enough then. Alright, do you?
Yeah, man, I wasn't being funny, bro.
No, mate, it's just my defensive nature, dude, that's all it is.